Hello Tina, I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz and Sprinter vans here in Scarborough, Maine. Thank you very much for your internet inquiry on our 2021 Pebble Gray 144 high roof four-wheel drive cargo van. So we're going to do a nice video of this for you this morning. You can see right away it's got the fog lights in the front here. It's got safety sensors too. That helps with parking the vehicle and things like that. It also has the 360-degree camera. So you can see one of the cameras is right here. We're going to hop inside the vehicle here in a few minutes too, and I'll display some of the features inside. One of your other cameras is right here underneath of the rear view mirror. And then also there's one on the driver's side as well. We got the nice black wheels. Looks very nice with the Pebble Gray. And this also has the hardboard paneling on the walls. Nice hardwood floor with the anti-slip coating on it. There's various tie downs in the floor for different things. We'll come around here to the back of the van. So this Sprinter van has the nice Mercedes-Benz trailer hitch. You can tow up to 5,000 pounds with this Sprinter van. Also, you can load 3,500 pounds of weight in the van. We have a nice backup camera up here just above the third brake light. So that's part of your 360 camera setup. This van has the 270-degree doors. However, they do latch in place right here at 90 degrees. And then they open all the way up. The way the hinge is designed, there's a latching mechanism built right in the hinge to help keep the doors open. Now Tina, we're going to hop in the cab of the Sprinter van. I'm going to go over some nice features in there for you. All right Tina, so we're sitting in the cab of this really nice 2021 Pebble Gray Sprinter 4x4. I'm going to start out right up here on the dash. So this has got the nice wireless charging tray. Also, this plug-in right here, these are USB-C ports. This one right here will activate the Apple CarPlay for you so you can get all your apps on the nice display screen here in the dash. And then I talked about the 360 camera when we were doing the outside walk around. So it's very nice. You can see your van right here, 360. We have the regular backup camera when you turn the wheels. The yellow lines go with it. Also the trailer hitch, if you're putting a trailer or towing a trailer, has a nice yellow line there to line up your drawbar. Nice wide angle rear view. And then here's your blind spot. So right here you can see the outside of the van, so if you're in a tight spot you'll be able to pull out nice and easy. Also it's got a front view camera and a wide angle front view. It's very nice. And then we can pair your cell phone in here. It's got a really nice navigation system. You can shrink the screen and blow it up. And then we got your radio right here. So you got AM, FM. Multimedia center. It's a nice info center here. This is pretty neat too because you can keep track of your fuel economy. This van only has a few miles on it, so the fuel economy is not accurate just yet. We have an app store, vehicle settings. You can go in and turn things on and off. ESP is your stability control, keeps all four tires on the ground. You cannot turn that on and off. You have parking assist, the sensors that I showed you in the front bumper. That helps with parking the van. And your camera, it has active brake assist. So when your cruise control's on, you're coming up behind someone maybe too fast, or they slow down in front of you, the van will actually help slow you down. It's got attention assist, a little coffee cup right here. That will let you know if you're getting drowsy in the vehicle. So that's a few things in the MBUX system. This van comes equipped with cruise control, heated electric mirrors, it has heated seats, leatherette seats too, very durable. The comfort seat package with 5 adjustments. Just a beautiful all-around 4x4 van, especially if you're going to upfit it to travel in. So Tina, I hope you've enjoyed my video, and please feel free to give me a call. My name is Roger. My cell phone number is 207-838-0169. you.